again, welcome to my another video. And in our today's video, our lesson number 22, and we are going to practice rules of daily conversation. And today is our part number 3. So think you will understand our today's class very much goodly. So if you understand, don't forget to share it with your friends and also subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's move to our class, and before starting our today's class, the main important thing is our classes are taken by the most popular book. That means you all know about that, our favorite English therapy book. So think you will understand our today's class. So let's start our today's class about topic daily conversation part number 3, and today is our lesson number 22. So our 10 number rule is, what's your father's name? So in this case, we can use mother's name also without father's. So like, what's your father's name, what's your mother's name, what's your sister's name, what's your brother's name, what's your cousin's name, and many things all can say like. So for answer, we will say like, my father's name is Muhammad Zakaria, or you can say like, my mother's name is Maqsuda Akhtar, my brother's name is Hasibul Hassan Shanto, like that. So, and number 11 is, what does your father do? What does your father do? So in this case, we can use mothers. What does your mother, grandmother, sister, brother, cousin, aunt, uncle. So as you wish, you can add here with a father. So like, what does your father do? 1 sentence. What does your mother do? 2 number sentence. And 3 number sentences. What does your brother do? What does your sister do? What does your grandma do? What does your grandfather do? So think you all have understand. For reply, we can say like, my father or mother, we can say like, my father is an ideal police officer, or we can say like, my father is a police officer, my mother is a housewife, my brother is a student. So like that we can answer it, both questions. So think you all have understand how to answer or how to question in daily conversation about your father and mother. So let's repeat this again. So our 10 number rule is, what's your father's name? What's your father's name? So for answer, we can say like, my father's name is Muhammad Zakaria. If he or she asks you, what is your mother names? So you can say like, my mother's name is Maqsuda Akhtar, or he or she will ask you, what is your brother's name? So you can say like, my brother's name is Hasibul Hassan Shanto. And then number 11 is, what does your father do? So you can say like, my father is a police officer, or for a better answer, you can say like, my father is an ideal police officer. And then he or she will ask you, what does your mother do? What does your mother do? In this case, you can say like, my mother is an ideal housewife, or without saying ideal, you can say like, my mother is a housewife. So think you all have understand our today's video about daily conversation part number 3, and today is our lesson number 22. So see you later in my next video, that means about lesson number 23. So wait for the upcoming video and see you later in this video. So stay at home, stay safe. Assalamualaikum, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.